Now at 4, the Target 12 investigators continue our in-depth coverage of the death of Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
Ginsburg's passing has already sparked an all-out partisan war in Washington over who should fill her seat. Both sides agree on one thing, though. The stakes are very high.
12 News Politics Editor Ted Nesi joins us now to break it all down. Ted, the announcement came late Friday night. Curious your perspective in the political world. What was your reaction when you saw this news come out?
You know, I didn't think 2020 could surprise me anymore. I was absolutely stunned when I looked at my phone and saw that Justice Ginsburg had died. She, of course, had been ill and she was 87 years old, but still the timing almost unbelievable. Just 6 weeks away from this huge election for not just the White House, but control of the Senate, which decides these nominees. And also because Ginsburg wasn't just another liberal justice. She'd become kind of an icon for progressives in recent years. We all saw the notorious RBG shirts and things like that. But it's now a chance for Donald Trump and the Republicans to cement conservative control of the Supreme Court, potentially for a generation. Democrats know that. So it's just a huge fight ahead. There's no doubt there.
And Ted, you know, we know this news is really stunning, but I think part of it is the timing of it. Of course, we've had Supreme Court vacancies in election years before, but rarely this close.
Kim, I looked it up. The last time we had a vacancy this close to an election, Abe Lincoln was president. It was 1864. No Twitter then, so we don't know how Lincoln reacted, but never in modern times has it come this close. Let's actually walk through how it works. So the president nominates the new justice, then the U.S. Senate holds hearings and eventually votes either to confirm or reject the nominee. Right now, you have a Republican president, President Trump, of course, and a Republican Senate. So they are aligned on this. But Republicans hold only 53 of the 100 Senate seats, so it's tight. And we already know some Republicans say they won't vote to approve a justice so close to the election. If it winds up being a 50-50 tie vote, Vice President Pence can step in and cast the deciding vote to confirm the president's nominee.
No surprise here. We heard it first thing Friday night. Democrats likely to fight tooth and nail to keep it from getting that far.
Yeah, and as you see there, you know, they don't have the votes to block it if the Republicans stick together, so they're trying to use public opinion for that. Joe Biden's saying the process should wait until the November 3rd election. He says if he wins, the Senate should wait and approve his eventual nominee, and if President Trump wins a second term, the Senate can then go ahead and vote because he's still the president. But Republicans are saying, hey, there's nothing in the Constitution that says that, and if we have the votes, we just might decide to do it right now. That's our right.
And no doubt we'll be hearing and seeing a lot of Senator Sheldon Whitehouse in the coming weeks.
Yes, Senator Whitehouse is the 4th highest Democrat on the Senate Judiciary Committee right now. I expect him to be very vocal and outspoken as this proceeds.
All right, Ted, thank you so much. You can count on 12 News for complete continuing coverage of the Supreme Court nomination battle in the weeks to come.